Dear students, I hope all of you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also well by the grace of Him. I welcome again to our virtual class. This is the 13th class of changing sentence. In the previous classes, we discussed some rules of compound, complex and simple sentence, that means structural sentence. Now, in this class, we are going to discuss about another rule of compound, complex and simple. There is an example of compound sentence. Look at the whiteboard. Study hard and you will pass in the exam. This compound sentence is expressing condition. Conjunction and expresses time, reason and condition. If compound sentence start with verb, then we have to understand that this sentence is expressing condition. You will pass in the exam. When will you pass in the exam? If you study hard. That means if you do not study hard, you won't pass in the exam. If you want to pass in the exam, then you have to study hard. Study hard is the condition of passing exam. That means this sentence is expressing condition. If the compound sentence having and expresses condition, then we have to use subordinating conjunction if in the complex sentence. Dear students, this word study is a verb. There is no subject. If the sentence starts with verb, and we have to understand that there is an existence of a subject and the subject will be you always. So we have to write here the subject you. If you study hard, you will pass in the exam. Study hard and you will pass in the exam. If you study hard, you will pass in the exam. Compound to complex. Compound sentence having and the and is expressing condition, then the complex will be started with subordinating conjunction if. Compound to simple. Now we are going to discuss simple sentence. The simple sentence will be started with the preposition by. By is a preposition, so we have to use here the present participle form of verb. Present participle form. The verb study is a present form. If we add ing with present form, then the word studying is present participle. After preposition, the verb will be present participle. By studying hard, you will pass in the exam. Study hard and you will pass in the exam. This is compound sentence. If you study hard, you will pass in the exam. This is complex sentence. By studying hard, you will pass in the exam. This is simple sentence. Compound to complex, compound to simple. Complex to compound, that means if the complex sentence start with if, then we have to use and in the compound sentence. Complex to simple, that means containing if in the complex sentence, that means if the complex sentence contain subordinating conjunction if, then we have to use preposition by if we want to do simple sentence. That means complex to simple, simple to complex and simple to compound. That means there is 6 sentences. Dear students, This is another example of compound sentence having coordinating conjunction and, but this and is not expressing condition, this and is expressing time. But how will you get that this coordinating conjunction and is expressing time? Then we have to understand the meaning of the sentence. He went home and he found his mother ill. He found his mother ill means he saw his mother ill. When did he find his mother ill? When he went home. That means after going home, he found his mother ill. This is the compound sentence containing and this and is expressing time. When the compound sentence containing and expressing time, then in the complex sentence we have to use subordinating conjunction when. Then the next part before and, he went home. He found his mother ill. When he went home, he found his mother ill. Compound to complex. Now we are going to discuss compound to simple. When compound sentence having and expressing time, we have to notice one thing. Is the subject same in the both part? In this part or in this part? Is the subject same? Yes, both the subjects are same. Then in the complex we have to use verb present participle form. The verb is went. Went means go. Go is present form. Went is first form of go. If we want to use present participle form, then we have to use present form verb and with ing, present participle. Going home, he found his mother ill. Compound to complex, when conjunction and expresses time, then the complex sentence start with subordinating conjunction when, and simple sentence start with verb present participle form if in the compound and in the complex subject are same. Dear students, now we can transfer the complex sentence to compound. That means complex to compound, complex to simple, and simple to complex, simple to compound. There is also 6 sentences. Dear students, we have to notice it carefully. What is meaning the compound sentence at first? After understanding the meaning, then we have to do the sentences one by one. Compound to complex, compound to simple, complex to compound, compound to complex to simple, simple to complex, and simple to compound. The students, thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.